right foot. And that means practicing getting 60 minutes of physical activity every day. Physical activity, what is it? Movement that our body performs. This can be anything from riding our bike, going for a walk, okay, doing different types of movement. Our why. It is important to get at least 60 minutes of movement every day. When we do this, it helps keep our bodies healthy and strong because we want to take care of our bodies. Our how, participating in a level challenge. We're going to have a level challenge, kind of like a video game today, to work on getting our physical activity. You guys ready? Let's go.
All right, Wranglers, for your lesson today, the only pieces of equipment you are going to need is a sock ball and something that you can tap. So it could be a roll of paper towels, it can be a water bottle, something that you are able to tap. Other than that, you just need some space and your body. Let's go. All right, Wranglers, for your level 1 challenge, you are going to take your sock ball and you're going to throw it up in the air, clap, and catch 10 times. You cannot move on to level 2 until you complete this challenge. Ready? As we watch Coach Coca, she's throwing it up, catching 10 times. Ready, Wranglers? It's your turn. Okay, Wranglers, your turn. Make sure you have your sock ball. You're going to throw it up and clap and catch 10 times. When you have completed the challenge, you can go ahead and move on to level 2. If you need to practice, go ahead and hit pause, complete the challenge, then move on.
All right, Wranglers, level 2, you are going to start off with your first activity of tossing your sock ball up 10 times and clapping. Once you finish that 10 times, you will move on to the next activity of level 2. Completing 10. You're going to move on to shoulder taps, making sure that you are in your push-up position, tapping your opposite shoulder, keeping your body nice and stable, and keeping that flat back. You're going to complete that 10 times to complete level 2.
All right, Wranglers, for level 2, make sure you still have your sock ball. You're going to complete the clap catch 10 times. After you complete your clap catch 10 times, move on to your 10 shoulder taps. When you have finished with your 10 shoulder taps, you are ready for the next level. Go ahead and hit pause, complete your challenge, and then hit play to move on. All right, Wranglers, for level 3, you're going to start with your clap catch. So you're going to do 10 of those, just like we did in level 1 and level 2. Coach Koga's keeping her eye on the ball, really using those 2 hands to catch. After 10, you move on to those shoulder taps. 5 on each side, making sure you keep that back flat. Total of 10, 5 on each shoulder. And then you're going to move on to the balance tap. So remember, you're going to get on one foot, bend down and tap. You're going to do 5 on each side. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you're going to switch to the other side. Notice how Coach Coker really has good balance, really focusing, keeping her core tight. If she loses balance, she can always put her foot down. And on the 5th one, boom, level 3 done. Okay, Wranglers, so remember, we're going to start off with our clap catch 10 times. Then we move on to our shoulder taps 10 times. And then finally, to finish up round 3, you're going to do your balancing taps, 5 on each leg. So remember, 5 on each leg. After you've completed your challenge, you may move on to level 4. Go ahead and hit pause, complete your challenge. When you're ready, hit play.
All right, Wranglers, level 4. Now you have 4 tasks to complete in level 4, starting with your clap and catch 10 times, keeping your eye on the object. Make sure once you get all 10 complete, then you will move on to your shoulder taps, completing 10 taps, keeping your back nice and straight, keeping your body under control. Moving on to your balance of 5 times on each side, focusing, using your core muscles to keep your body upright. 5 times, then switch to the opposite side. If you need to, place your foot down to catch yourself and restart. Moving on to our last challenge of 10 high jumps, bending your legs and exploding up into the air, landing with your knees bent. Nice and soft. Awesome. Great job, Wranglers.
All right, Wranglers, level 4, the final round. You're going to start with your 10 clap catches. After you complete that, you're going to move to your 10 shoulder taps. After you're done with your 10 shoulder taps, you're going to move on to your balance taps. So remember, 5 on each side. And then finally, you're going to do your 10 squat jumps. After you're completed, you are done with level 4. Go ahead and hit pause, complete level 4. When you're done, hit play.